Welcome friends on Asrar IAS YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to discuss question from the first chapter, Sociology, the discipline, and emergence of sociology. The question is: explain how sociology has emerged as a distinct discipline based on rationality and scientific temperament. Friends, here is the two keywords: rationality and the scientific temper. Based on these two keywords, we have to discuss how sociology emerged as a distinct discipline. Okay, only this thing. And in the in introduction, we can also introduce in different way how, for example, sociology has emerged as a irrationality prevalent in the Europe, like the church as a, we can see the how three state exist in the Europe, in the basically in the France. In this context we can introduce, even we can also simply introduce the emergence of sociology as a reaction to the various social evils which are unscientific and irrational prevalent in the European society. And then we can also cite the many thinkers how they study society based on the rationality and scientific temperament. We will see in the coming slides. Okay, so let's see the uh, introduction. So these are the keywords and these are the directives how to we have to explain. Okay, let's go. In introduction, sociology development as a distinct discipline has been significantly shaped by various social thinkers, is contributing unique perspective that emphasize rationality and scientific inquiry. When before starting our body, we can highlight that we understood the how is the we understood the demand of the question, and then we write that role of rationality and scientific temper in the development of sociology. Here the first is the Auguste Comte, often regarded as the father of sociology. Comte advocated for the scientific approach to studying society. Coining the term sociology, he emphasized the positivism, that is the positivism part of the rationality, arguing that the knowledge should be derived from scientific methods. That is the link of rationality and scientific methods. Okay, in the first statement. Emile Durkheim, a fundamental figure in the sociology. Durkheim applied empirical research, that is, empirical research method to understand the social phenomena. His studies of suicide and social integration highlighted the influence of social structure on the individual behaviors. Understanding importance of social facts. When we study social fact, we will realize that how social fact act as a as a scientific concept. And even when we see the uh, theory of suicide, in theory of suicide, Durkheim uses the statistical data, which is also part of the scientific, where the natural science also collect data to formulate the scientific theory. In the same way, Durkheim was also influenced by the natural science, and he also tried to make this study of sociology as a scientific. Okay, third is the Max Weber. Max Weber introduced the concept of Verstehen, emphasizing the need to understand the social action from perspective of individuals. His work on the authority, bureaucracy, and relationship between the religion and capitalism showcased a rational analysis of social dynamics. See, when we see the bureaucracy still is a rational organization. Okay, that is the how rationality used by the Max Weber to study the society. Karl Marx, although primarily known for his economic theories, Marx's analysis of class struggle and social conflict laid the groundwork for conflict theory in sociology. His historical method His historical materialism approach emphasizes scientific study of societal change through economic relations. See how the scientific temper is connected to the theory of historical materialism of Karl Marx. Georg Simmel focused on the effective social interaction and the forms of social life. His analysis of urbanization and individualism contributed to the deeper understanding of the modern social relationship and cultural dynamics. Talcott Parson developed a system theory approach, emphasizing the interdependence of social institutions. His work aimed to create a comprehensive framework for understanding social order, incorporating rational analysis of societal function. W.E.B. Du Bois work on the race and social inequality emphasized the empirical research and significance of African American experience. His concept of double consciousness highlighted that highlighted the complexities of identity and social structure. Herbert Blumer, as a proponent of the symbolic interactionism, Blumer focused on the meanings individual assigned to social interaction. His approach emphasized the subjective nature of social reality, rooted in rational interpretation. Pierre Bourdieu. Bourdieu's concept of cultural capital and habitus provide a nuanced understanding of social stratification and power dynamics. His empirical research contributed quantitative and qualitative methods to analyze social behavior. Judy Butler, a contemporary thinker, Butler's work on gender and performativity challenges traditional notion of identity, utilizing a rational critique of social norms and highlighting the social construction of gender. Conclusion. These thinkers collectively illustrate how sociology has evolved as a discipline committed to rationality and scientific methods, providing valuable insight into the complexities of human society. Thank you, friends.